So we have another problem here, triangle judgment, which is an easy problem. Here we have our triangle table which has 3 columns, x, y, and z, and all of them are of type integer. So we need to report for every 3 line segments whether they can form a triangle or not. So according to our rule, if any two variables x or y and x or z, the sum of these two variable is greater than the third variable, then it will form the triangle, and it must be for all the 3 combinations, for xy, for yz, and for zx. So let us write the statement. Select x comma y comma z comma case when x plus y is greater than z and x plus z is greater than y, and z plus y is greater than x, then yes, else no, and as triangle from triangle. Okay, so the spelling is not correct here, it's small t. So let's give it a try if it is working or not. Oh, no, spelling is incorrect, it's small o. So the answer is correct now. Let's submit it. Okay, so the solution is correct.